My name is Jillian and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and today we're going to be talking about the Polar Bottle insulated 24-ounce bottle. I was so happy to get another one of these in the mail. I actually own one, so this is the second one that I've bought. I don't know if you've seen these. When they first came out, especially a couple years ago, these were all the rage, right? Everybody had to have one of these because it was one of those things for Arizona where it could, you know, keep everything cold or hot, you know, in up to 125-degree heat. So it was very interesting for me, especially when I moved to Arizona and I go biking. I needed something that would fit in kind of the cage of the bike, you know, where you put the water bottle cage. And I needed something small enough so that I could just take it with me on anything, any trips or hiking, that type of thing. So I decided to get this, another one, because I felt like the hype was, you know, there was a lot of hype, right, regarding it. And you know, there are some nuances to this, which I'll have to get into when I do the pros and cons, because I have owned one of these for about 4 years now, and there are some cons to it, but honestly the pros outweigh it. So I love this bottle and I can't wait to unbox another one. So let's go ahead, again, not sponsored, so let's go ahead and talk about the features of this bottle according to the website. They are very excited about this, by the way, because it's 100% thermal protection, perfect for keeping liquids cool for twice as long as a regular water bottle. It just says it's a sport or bike water bottle. The 24-ounce size is perfect when you go biking, and that is what I use it for. So let's go ahead and unbox it really quick. It just comes like this in this little bag, so I just need to rip it open. And I bought a different, I bought my original one that I had, it's just all gray. So I bought a slightly more pretty style. You can see it's got kind of like a flowery design on the inside of it. And like I said, I love it. I've been using these for a while. It just says on here, it's just got a cold taste better, BPA free and phthalate free. 24 ounces, and this is the current size that I use when I go biking. As you can see, it's kind of got like an insulation layer there. You can see it's kind of crinkled, and that's how my other one is, so you can freeze it. But on the inside, it's actually just a white interior, so it works out pretty good actually for what I need it for. And I like it because it's, you know, squishy. I can easily squeeze some water into my mouth while I'm biking. And it works out great because it's got this nice carrying handle and a nice lid to go along with it. So yeah, but for now I just wanted to do a little unboxing. Again, not a sponsor. So thank you so much for watching this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to thumbs up this content if you like it and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below, or you can like my page on Facebook. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.